Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Big Dave's Family Adventures. On this episode, the mighty Niagara Falls. The Niagara Falls is located in both Canada and the United States. At the time of this recording of this video, the United States side of the Niagara Falls was sadly pretty much dead, so we stayed on the Canadian side as most people do. I think the best way to get to Niagara Falls is to fly into Buffalo, New York, and rent a car and then drive into the Canadian side of Niagara Falls. The drive only took us about 20 minutes to drive across into Canada from the United States at about 6 o'clock a.m. local time. I just love this shot because it seems like you're about to get swept over the side of Niagara Falls as if you were swimming and trying to avoid getting swept over. So what's the best way, in my opinion, to see the most of what Niagara Falls has to offer? To get the most that you can see and to avoid huge lines, take a tour with a local tour company, and your group size will be limited down to about 8 people maximum. And since you'll be able to bypass most of the lines that can take you a lot of time, this will help you to see more of Niagara Falls if you're on limited time. On our 3-day stay at Niagara Falls, we used a local tour company to show us around. When you take a tour with the tour company, you'll be able to get on board the Hornblower cruises, which will take you up into the Horseshoe Falls and around the Bridal Falls in the US side. If you want to get closer to the waterfalls, and I mean really close to the waterfalls, go to the New York side and check out Cave of the Winds coming up next. On our last day before our flight back to San Diego, we went to the New York side to experience the Cave of the Winds. When we went to the New York side, we went on this alone without a tour company on a major holiday weekend, so we ended up spending about 2 hours in line before we can actually get to this event. As you will see from this next set of clips, waiting in line for Cave of the Winds is truly worth it because you will be able to get up close and actually into the waterfall at Niagara Falls here at Cave of the Winds.
Are you satisfied now?
Yeah.
Good.
Take a picture.
Okay.
Hi.
Hello. Now we're soaked.
I already showered this morning.
I'm going back in. Okay. Nice.
One of the best ways to have a great time at Niagara Falls is to take a 45-minute jet boat tour on a 3-engine, 1,500 horsepower jet boat up the famous Niagara Whirlpool on Class 5 rapids. Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. Coming up next time on Big Dave's Family Adventures, our actual trip on the jet boats. Thanks for watching. God bless. Either or is expensive.